Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Pinterest Analytics for keyword-driven discovery step by step clearly. To start, log in to your Pinterest account. Once you are on your home page, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. This will take you to your profile overview. From there, look for the Analytics tab in the main menu. Click on the Analytics tab to access your insights. You'll now see a drop-down menu titled Overview. Under this menu, select Account Insights. This section provides a detailed view of your audience and content performance. To download the data, look for the Export Data button on the page. Click this button to reveal your download options. You have the choice between downloading data for a specific date range or the entire account. Select your preferred date range for the analytics report. After choosing the range, confirm your selection. Next, choose the file format you prefer for the download, such as CSV or Excel. Click the Download button to initiate the download. The file will be saved to your default Downloads folder on your device. Open the downloaded file to view your Pinterest analytics. Analyze the data to discover trending keywords and insights. Use this information to enhance your Pinterest strategy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.